In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can do some ifs with an AND criteria instead of the default OR. So here we have regional product sales with region, the product, and the sales. And here we have some SUMIFS. So some ifs for north coin sales in the north and some ifs for coin sales in the south. But what would if we wanted to combine these two and have coin sales for the north and the south inside of our single SUMIFS function? So to do this, we could equal SUMIFS. And then the first criteria is the sum range. So what are we trying to sum? Well, we're trying to sum the product sales, right? So we're going to grab this product sales number right here, comma criteria range 1. So where are we going to look for our first criteria? Well, we're going to look for it in the region column. Now, criteria 1, so literally wanted to pass through multiple criteria. First, to do this, we needed to pass through an array. So we can have a squiggly bracket, and then in quotes we can type north, and then comma we can type in south, and then squiggly bracket. And one thing though is that it's a little bit more tricky to do this with just direct cell references in this array and getting errors, which is why in this example I just typed in text as opposed to using a cell reference. But a cell reference at times can be a little bit more dynamic, but at the same time kind of tricky whenever you're trying to pass through an array. As you can see, I got this error. So let's decide comment. So common criteria range 2. So where we're going to look for a second criteria, it's going to be right here. And then what is our second criteria is going to be the coin, and then close parentheses. And as you can see, by passing through an array for our first criteria, we got the 188 for the north sales and the 1305 for the south sales. Now, to make this just into one cell, instead of having it spill like this, we can just equal sum these together, and now we have our AND criteria for coin sales in the north and coin sales in the south in this one function, in this one SUMIFS. Hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.